In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a StockX order. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in your account, what each order status means for cancellations, how to request a cancel if the option appears, and what to do if it doesn't. First, open the StockX app or website and go to Buying Then Orders. Find the order you want to cancel and check its status. This is the key to knowing your options. If you see pending or awaiting shipment, there's a chance you can cancel. That usually means the seller hasn't shipped yet and the order hasn't moved into verification. If the status says shipped, authenticating, or in transit, cancellation is typically not possible because the item is already on its way to StockX or being processed. If you're in that earlier stage and the cancel order button is visible next to your order, click or tap it. Confirm that you want to cancel and then watch for a cancellation confirmation in your account and by email. If a refund applies, it will be issued back to your original payment method. Keep an eye on your notifications so you don't miss the confirmation. If you don't see a cancel button, it often means the order has progressed too far, like the seller has accepted and is preparing shipment. In that case, contact StockX support right away. Open the help or support section in the app or go to help.stockx.com. Choose contact support or live chat for the fastest response. Provide your order number, the date of purchase, and a clear reason for your cancellation request. Be direct and polite, and specifically ask if they can cancel before the seller ships. Acting quickly and explaining your situation clearly can increase your chances, though it isn't guaranteed once the order moves forward. If StockX approves the cancellation, expect a refund to the same payment method you used. Processing times vary depending on your bank or payment provider, so it might not appear instantly. You can monitor your order page for status changes and watch your email for confirmation. If you don't see the refund after a reasonable time, follow up with support using your original ticket or chat reference. That's it. Start by checking your order status in Buying Orders. Cancel directly if the button is available, and if it's not, contact StockX support as soon as possible with your order details and request. Move fast, stay clear in your communication, and keep an eye out for the confirmation and refund.